This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Judy Kraft. This home boasts of a kitchen, dining combo and kitchen living room combo. There is a space for a wood stove, pellet, etc. in living room. There are 3 nice-sized bedrooms with a full bath and laundry with basement access. Garage could entertain 4 vehicles and has a workshop area. Hot water tank is 1 year old, some newer windows. New filtration system. Private backyard. Home is where is, as is. Any home inspection will be responsibility of the buyers for any repairs if needed. Must show proof of funds and buyer attorney. For more information, review the details below.